Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we had created the Firebase email password authentication app. Now we will create the forget password part of this app. We had created a main activity and a user registration activity and a login activity. Now we will add a button here. If we forget password, let's add a button here. Give the ID of button btn reset password. Now add the on click event here. So write here on and select here on click and create a function here reset password and hover the mouse here or alt shift or enter. So I am hovering mouse here and click on create reset password and open the login.kt and here is our new function. This code for login user with email and password in Firebase. Now we will write the code for reset the password if we forget. Now first copy this part and paste here and remove this. Check the condition here. If email is not empty, else out dot send password reset email and pass here email ID. This is our email. Dot add on complete listener and give a text here task. And a pass a condition here. If task dot is successful, if Firebase send the reset email password, then make a toast message here. Toast password reset link sent, please check your email. Else make a toast message. If something went wrong, then pass the exception here. Task dot exception dot twisting. Now run the app and test the code. Now our app is run. First of all, we will register a user. Now we have entered our password 123456 and repassword 123456. Now click on register. and user registered successfully. Now sign out the user and click on login and insert an email ID here. And click on forget password. Insert an email ID here and click forget password. I am clicking the forget password. And message is reset email, password reset email has been sent to your mail ID. Now we have received a mail here for reset your password, and click here, and this is the link for how to reset password. Click on this link and this is your mail ID, and now you can change your password. So I am giving the password 456789 and click on save. Now go to your app. First write here your previous password. This was 123456 and click on login. The message was credential not matching. And now write the new password 456789 and click on login. Now login successfully. Our code is working properly. These are the codes for reset password. Thank you for watching this video.